To my first and last love. Ang bilis ng panahon, parang kailan lang. Looking back, I am deeply reminded of our humble beginnings. Literal na through thick and thin.
I see forever when I look in your eyes. Love.
Pero mas lalo kitang minahal ng unti-unti nung nakita ko kung paano mo minamahal at pinapahalagahan ng pamilya mo. At that very moment, alam kong ikaw na yung lalaking gusto kong makasama habang buhay.
Come alive.
Dahil alam ko na kung gaano mo kamahal ang pamilya mo, mas lalong mamahalin at aalagaan mo yung pamilyang bubuuin natin ng magkasama.
For forever. You're like a picture on the wall. In my head,
Be the best wife. Best.
like mountains I could name.
I cannot wait to travel with you. Ngayon wala na tayong curfew. Wala na ding paalam. Hindi na natin aalalahanin na baka gabihin tayo sa daan. At hindi na natin aalalahanin na baka magalit sila mami. Mama. Danyo. Ang ganda mo din, be.
For forever. Of all the things I've ever seen, you're a magic that I never thought I'd find. And there's no in between. You and me will run until the end of time.
Until you may now
See forever when I look in your eyes. Love.
Reynaldo, ito'y the greatest moment. This is your big day.
You are the answer to a prayer I whispered before I even knew you. God really did answer my prayer. I loved you the moment you proved yourself to me. And every moment since then has only made me love you more.
When I am a wasteland, you are the water. When I am the
Ito pong marriage, ang creator,
you
ang
are the
builder
fire
ay ang Diyos.
that
Hindi ho tayo, hindi ang gobyerno. Ang builder and author ng marriage ay ang Diyos. Pinagpapala ng Diyos yung mga nagpapakasal.
When I am a long night, you are the sunrise. When I am a
Thank you, mahal, for being so patient with me.
you are
Sa pagiging lakas ko sa mga panahong nagiging mahina ako. Thank you for loving me with all my flaws.
find me.
For never making me feel that I need to hide them.
What have I done to deserve love like this? What have I done to deserve love like this?
Medyo dalawa feelings eh. Isang, yan na. Isang malungkot kasi mawawalay pero masaya kasi magkakaapo na.
Wala pa?
Soon.
Gagawa pa lang.
Soon. Yun lang.
Soon.
You look till you find it. You say
I'm really grateful that in front of our family and friends, after 6 long years, I'm going to marry the man I have always prayed for.
what have I done
By God's grace, I vow to love you as Jesus loved us. I vow to be by your side, not just when things are easy, but especially on the days when it gets heavy, quiet, and uncertain.
What have I done to deserve love like this?
Salamat po kasi napalaki niyo po kami ng maayos magkakapatid. And dahil po doon, nakahanap po ako ng taong magmamahal din po sa akin ng lubos.
Po kay Mama at kay Papa. Dahil kahit wala rito si Papa, alam ko masayang masaya. Masayang masaya si Mama.
What have I done to deserve love like this?
I vow to be with you as we fulfill the great plan the Lord has for our lives. Mahal, wherever life takes us, my love for you will stand firm, not because it is rooted in my heart, but in the one who created it. I will forever thank the Lord for your life, and you will always be my biggest blessing and answered prayer.
Bigay ka ng Diyos sa akin. Ikaw lamang ang aking mamahalin. Sagot ka sa aking dalang. Ikaw lamang ang ibigin.
And lastly, thank you for loving me with all the love God has given you. I cannot wait to see all the adventures God has planned for us. I love you so much.